Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and if you did not know, I love Blythe dolls. Any Blythe dolls, neo-sized, registered, non-registered dolls. I don't care. I love them. They're so cute and so whimsical, and I love the eyes. This is a Middie. She's about 8 inches tall. Look at her eyes. Oh my God, they go back and forth with a little dial. Remember the old spooky paintings people would have in their living room? And you felt like the eyes were watching you as you walked across the room. That's what those remind me of. This outfit that she has on now, these dolls come from AliExpress in China. I call them Ali Blythes. They come with no clothes, no shoes, no anything. When I first started collecting these dolls, we would go to the Dollar General, and they still have these little dolls. They're about this tall in these little outfits, and they have little shoes. Now they're painted on. I can't tell you how many I bought just for the shoes. Remember, that was before Darren started making the shoes after that, because I was always like, oh, I got another Middie, I got to run down and get an outfit. Recently, people have been showing these cute little outfits from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I wanted to see if the shoes, although they look really big to me, these dolls have surprisingly tiny bodies and absolutely tiny feet. Let me show you. These little shoes go on from the little toe and they click. Look how small that foot is. I mean, that's tiny. My nails are not very long right now. That is just tiny. So let's try these little outfits on her each and see how they look. Well, the first little outfit's okay if you like, oh, I should have cut that. I don't have scissors right here. If you like capri pants, they are not my favorite. I like short shorts or down past the ankle jeans, but it's cute enough. I do like the top. That's cute. Be happy. It is a choice most of the time. The pants, I'm not pulling any tighter to Velcro them, but the shirt really is cute. The shoes are gigantic, but they will also give them extra stability in the stand, and they don't fall off. They click around the ankles, so I would say that is a win. For $1.25, your little Blythe could have that. I'm not putting this backpack on. It's really just a prop. I don't think it opens.
Kind of looks like it.
Kind of looks like it, though. Yeah. It comes apart. How's that? Let me pull a little harder. Comes apart. I'll probably pitch that. But the little comb is a real cute prop. You could put that in their hand for photos. Really cute. Imagine combing all this hair with that little brush. Let's try the other outfit. The second outfit's kind of cute. Should be making hay in that in the summertime. It's cute. Would it be my favorite outfit? Not really, but I think it's cute enough. I was going to leave this on her a little bit, although I'm looking at this red. Oh, I think it's fine. It's, I don't think that dye is going to run, and she's got a little, maybe around, no, I think that's fine. This is a one-piece top and bottom. Barely covers her, but it covers her. So I think that'll be all right, and I think I'm going to leave her in it for the fall. It's kind of cute. So she's up 2 pairs of shoes, 2 hairbrushes, and we're not going to keep these. But there she is. Thank you for watching. Let me know, are you buying these outfits from the Dollar Tree? Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.